1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 6,000, 1,200, 2,500, 5,500, 10,000. This trip takes about 20 minutes. This bus takes about 45 minutes. This ferry takes about 1 hour. This flight takes about 9 hours. It is about 5,500 kilometers from New York to London. It is about 2,500 kilometers from Mexico City to Los Angeles. It is about 1,200 kilometers from Montreal to Chicago. It is about 800 kilometers from Berlin to Stockholm. This hotel costs between 100 and 200. These sweaters cost between 100 and 200. These sweaters cost between 50 and 80. This hotel costs between 50 and 80. This car costs about 10,000. This television costs about 5,000. These flowers cost about 30. These pencils cost about 3. How long does this trip take? About 20 minutes. How long does this bus take? About 45 minutes. How long does this ferry take? About 1 hour. How long does this flight take? About 9 hours. How far is it from New York to London? It is about 5,500 kilometers. How far is it from Mexico City to Los Angeles? It is about 2,500 kilometers. How far is it from Montreal to Chicago? It is about 1,200 kilometers. How far is it from Berlin to Stockholm? It is about 800 kilometers. How much is this hotel? It costs between 100 and 200. How much are these sweaters? They cost between 50 and 80. How much is this fruit? It costs between 3 and 5. How much does this hotel cost? It costs between 50 and 80. How much does this car cost? It costs about 10,000. How much does this television cost? It costs about 5,000. How much does this television cost? It costs about 6,000. How much do you have? I do not have any.